Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers from around the world, welcome to the Greener the Better show. The Greener the Better is not just a vlog, it's a call to action. It's an exploration of the symbiotic relationship we share with our environment and a stern warning against its misuse and abuse. We have had the privilege of witnessing the beauty of our planet in its various forms, and it is both our duty and passion to ensure that future generations can experience the same wonders. In the episodes to come, we will delve into the intricacies of environmental conservation. This is a journey of awareness and change. Join your host Stewart, and together, let's embark on this vital journey. For the greener, the better, join in on this global expedition of environmental consciousness.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's discussion on a pressing environmental concern, the impact of drones on our natural landscapes. I am Stewart Milimu, ilondanga, and I invite you to join me in exploring how these flying gadgets can inadvertently tarnish the aesthetic beauty of our precious environments. Imagine this: you're standing at the edge of a pristine lake, surrounded by lush forests and mountains. The tranquility is overwhelming, and you're taking in the sheer beauty of nature. But suddenly, a buzzing sound breaks the silence, and you look up to see a drone hovering ahead.
The advent of drone technology has revolutionized various sectors, including agriculture, real estate, and filmography. However, its impact on natural landscapes is profound and multifaceted. Drones, with their ability to capture high-resolution images and videos from vantage points, have provided us with a unique perspective on our natural world.
Today, we delve into how drones can create visual pollution and reduce the aesthetic value of natural landscapes by flying over scenic spots or historical sites. We will examine the various aspects of this issue, including its environmental impact, privacy concerns, and potential solution. First, let's discuss the environmental impact of drones. These flying machines, while offering incredible opportunities for photography and videography, can also disrupt the natural ecosystems below. The noise pollution they create can disturb wildlife and even nesting birds.
Drones have become an invaluable tool in environmental monitoring and conservation. They can cover large areas of land quickly and efficiently, providing data on plant health, wildlife populations, and changes in the landscape. This information is crucial for scientists and conservationists to monitor the health of ecosystems, track changes over time, and implement effective conservation strategies.
Moreover, drones emit carbon emissions during their operation, contributing to greenhouse gases. Their presence can affect the behavior and breeding patterns of animals, potentially causing long-term harm to these delicate ecosystems. Moving on to the issue of privacy, drones can encroach on the personal space of individuals enjoying the outdoors. How would you feel if you were on a remote hiking trail only to discover a drone hovering near you, capturing your every move without your consent?
However, the impact of drones on natural landscapes is not entirely positive. There are concerns about the effects of drones on wildlife. Animals can perceive drones as threats, leading to stress responses that can disrupt their natural behaviors and potentially impact their survival. For instance, birds may abandon their nests if disturbed by a drone, leaving their eggs or chicks vulnerable.
Privacy concerns become particularly significant when drones capture people engaged in personal or intimate activities in these natural settings. We must address the ethical aspects of drone usage in such scenarios. Now, let's explore potential solutions to this issue. As technology advances, we have the tools to mitigate the impact of drones on our natural landscapes. Some national parks have already implemented no-fly zones for drones, protecting sensitive areas from disturbance.
To mitigate these negative impacts, regulations and guidelines have been established in many regions to control drone use in sensitive areas. These rules often include restrictions on flying heights, distances from wildlife, and prohibitions on drone use during certain periods such as breeding seasons. Adherence to these guidelines is crucial to ensure that the benefits of drone technology do not come at the expense of our natural landscapes.
Additionally, creating awareness among drone operators about responsible flying and respecting privacy is crucial. Technological advancements in quieter and more environmentally friendly drones are also on the horizon. In conclusion, the use of drones in natural landscapes is a complex issue with both benefits and drawbacks. While they offer incredible opportunities for capturing the beauty of nature, they also have the potential to diminish that very beauty through visual pollution.
Looking ahead, drones are likely to play an increasingly important role in our interaction with natural landscapes. As drone technology continues to advance, it will provide even more opportunities for research, conservation, and enjoyment of our natural world. However, it is crucial that this technology is used responsibly, with a keen awareness of its potential impacts on the environment.
It's imperative that we find a balance between harnessing the advantages of drone technology and preserving the sanctity of our natural environments. Let's work together to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the unspoiled beauty of our world.
As we draw the curtains on today's episode of The Greener the Better, it's been a privilege to have your attention as we delved into the crucial topic of environmental conservation. Remember, change starts with awareness, and if you found today's discussion enlightening, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your engagement spreads the message further and wider, inspiring more individuals to take action. In closing, let's carry the spirit of today's discussion with us. Let's be mindful of our actions and their impact on the environment, striving for a world where the greener truly is the better. Together, we can make a difference, one step at a time. Thank you once again for joining your host Stewart on the Greener the Better show. Until next time, let's keep working towards a more sustainable and harmonious world. Goodbye for now, and take care.